Our technology is completely changing the shape of the future. Innovation in automation completely changes the shape of lifestyle more than ever. An impossible imagination turned into reality is nowadays technology. Energy Mission Machineries India Pvt. Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 company. Today, Energy Mission Machineries, performing in the same direction with upgraded technology, continues to grow from strength to strength. We are adding pages of success to our history. We are involved constantly to upgrade our portfolio with servo press brakes, CNC press brakes, NC and hydraulic press brakes, CNC shearing, NC and hydraulic shearing, 4-roll and 3-roll hydro-mechanical and mechanical plate rollers, iron workers, bus bar machines, hydraulic presses, etc. Today, Energy Mission acquired 60,000 square feet area in 5 manufacturing units with a team of more than 250 expert workforce. We produce 400 plus machine every year. We are building another world-class manufacturing facility spreaded in 1,90,000 square feet with modern in-house capabilities, which will enhance our strength in multi-folds. Our products are designed and manufactured to meet the expectation of customers in international market. As a result of continuous efforts since 1999, we have installed 3,000 plus machines in India and exported to Middle East, Southeast Asia and African countries. As we are focused on trend of sophisticated CNC metal fabrication machineries, Energy Mission has an extensive infrastructure consisting of the most modern mother machinery for building high-quality machines and components. Our headquarters is located at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. We have a versatile machine shop, assembly shop, fabrication and testing shops. We extended capabilities through a precise single reference structure machining facility on floor boring machines. Our CNC machine shop is equipped with new high-tech CNC lathes and CNC vertical milling machine for rotary as well as flat components. Our stage-wise inspection and various test methods help us to control our quality. To accomplish our goals, we attract and retain top technical talent and promote a culture of innovation and teamwork. For Energy Mission, customer satisfaction is one of the main aspects of our management system. We believe that prompt response to customers is a prime priority. For serving our clients better, we focus on a nationwide network of sales and service spread across India. We participate in many reputed international and national level exhibitions every year. These exhibitions help us to communicate more with our customers and inspire us to serve the market. We are proud to serve major government sectors, public and private giants. Many major brands and clients have trusted us and given us a chance to serve them with technical solutions. We have successfully installed CNC press brakes of up to 600 ton capacity and up to the length of 6.1 meters. CNC shearing machines of up to 25 mm cutting capacity and up to the length of 7 meters and many more. We have been awarded for Outstanding Entrepreneur of 2008-09 and 2014-15 by MSME Government of India. We look forward to make more efforts and contribute more towards our responsibility to the society and the nation. Jai Hind.